Jim, right now, the Finnish doctor, Dr. Kvist, is taking a look at one of the runner's legs. This is not the leg of Lassie Viren. This, as a matter of fact, is a much prettier leg than Lassie Viren has. This is one of the Finnish female runners, one of the finest in the world, as a matter of fact. But right now, we're going to demonstrate the kind of treatment that Lassie Viren got today prior to the running of the marathon race. This is called a Diapulse machine. It really is quite dramatic. If an athlete is injured or pulls a tendon or something like that, or in the case of Lassie Viren, who has a mild tendonitis in the posterior portion of the knee, this machine can actually restore that almost to perfect form in just a matter of a day. In fact, Princess Anne had a treatment of a Diapulse machine after her unfortunate accident at Bromont, and she went on and rode, as you know, the next day. Diapulse simply replaces the electrical charge in a damaged cell. We don't want to get too technical on this, but it's a rather revolutionary type of treatment. If a cell is damaged through trauma, injury, or something, it loses its negative charges. Well, the body wants to make up for that, and so it introduces sodium and water to get those negative charges back into the cell. Well, you know what happens when you put water into a cell? Swelling. And that's what causes most of the pain. Now, a Diapulse machine simply introduces those negative charges, and the cell becomes normal, and therefore the pain goes away. Now, Lassie Viren had 3 of these treatments after the 10,000 meters. He was able to win the 5,000 meters, as you know, yesterday. He had 20 minutes on this machine today and is running the marathon this afternoon. So we think it's quite a dramatic story. It certainly is revolutionary as far as injuries to athletes are concerned. And although the machine was developed originally to shorten the stay in the hospital of, let's say, burn patients or accident patients, and it did so in a very dramatic way, it is now being applied worldwide to athletes, and it's enabling them to perform at their maximum level. And in Lassie Viren's case, it's meant gold medals.